Hi, hello, and welcome to our EduTech channel. Today we are going to see about the modern periodic table. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet subscribed and follow our Instagram page at edutech_bookworm. Like this video and share. Today we are going to learn the modern periodic table. Many students feel memorizing the periodic table is very difficult, so some will randomly study few elements or watch some YouTube videos for getting ease with memorizing periodic table. We will guide you with a new easy method and fun way to memorize the periodic table. Why to know about the periodic table? The universe is nothing but science. Atoms, molecules, electrons, protons, neutrons, etc. Here elements are arranged in periodic table for easier way to know its mass, number and its properties. So we should know about the periodic table. Let we first know about the elements, then we can see about the easy method to memorize. We should we should read this periodic table from left to right. First element is hydrogen, next helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. Then this is potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, tellurium, bromine, krypton, rubidium, strontium. There are many things, and first of all we should know from atomic number 1, that is hydrogen, to atomic number 30, zinc, completely and thoroughly memorizing, because these are the major elements we use in the chemistry, that is science. There are 18 groups and 7 periods, which are divided into S, P, D, F blocks respectively. The elements are categorized based on its properties, mass and number of electrons. There are also man-made elements, that is from atomic number 95 to atomic number 118, which are rare, expensive and highly radioactive. There are additionally two series at the bottom of the periodic table, that are lanthanides and actinide series. Now we can see about S block. What is S block? The electrons fully filled in the s orbital, that is first orbit, in the elements present in this block are known as s block elements. The s block elements are divided into two types of metals. First group is alkali metals: hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. These are alkali metals. And group 2 metals, that are alkaline earth metals. These are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. P block. What is P block? The electrons fully filled in the p orbital, that is the second orbit, in the elements present in this block are known as p block elements. Group number 13 to 18 are called p block elements. First, boron family: boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. These are the boron family. And carbon family: carbon, silicon, germanium, strontium and lead. They are carbon family. Now nitrogen family: nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. These are nitrogen family. Oxygen family: oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. These are oxygen family. Fluorine family: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, acetylene. These are fluorine family. Now at last, the noble gases: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. These are noble gases. D block. What is D block? The electrons fully filled in the d orbital, that is the third orbit in the elements present in this block are known as d block elements. The d block elements are also called transition metals. They are from atomic number 21 to atomic number 112, that is from scandium to copernicium. We can see the elements now: scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold, mercury, rutherfordium, dubnium, seaborgium, borium, hassium, meltnerium, darmstadtium, rheogenium, and at last copernicium. These are the elements in the D block elements. We don't need to study all. We just want to know from atomic number 21 to atomic number 30. It is the most important thing in this periodic table, not in the periodic table, in this D block elements. F block. We mostly don't need these actinides and lanthanide series because of their high radioactive property. We don't use it now, but it is important for higher education, so don't need to worry about that. As for now, we got an idea about blocks. First of all, we should memorize basically 30 elements. That is from atomic number 1 to 30. We should memorize this like a multiplication tables. We can split into 3, 1 to 10, 11 to 20, and 21 to 30 atomic numbers respectively. In first, we can memorize about atomic number 1 to atomic number 10. That is hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. In second, atomic number 21 to atomic number atomic number 11 to atomic number 20. That is from sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, and calcium. Then atomic number 21 to 30. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, nickel, copper, zinc. Sorry, I left cobalt. Cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. After memorizing these, we should memorize blocks. First of all, we should memorize this thoroughly with the symbols and its atomic number. It is must, because without knowing the symbols, we cannot know the element name, and without element name, we cannot identify the elements. Now we have come to the main section. As I said already, the periodic table has split into four blocks: S, P, D, and F. Now we can see about S block. We can memorize this like a sentence. First is alkaline metals. It is group number 1: hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. We can memorize this like a sentence. He likes his son playing rugby, cricket, and football. He represents hydrogen, likes represent lithium, sun represents sodium, playing represent potassium, rugby represent rubidium, cricket represents cesium, football represents francium. And beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. These are the alkaline earth metals. These are alkaline earth metals. So we can memorize this as this boy's mother owns a car showroom for being rich. The boy represents beryllium, mother represents magnesium, car represents calcium, showroom represents strontium, being represents barium, and rich represents radium. P block. Being alone gets in tiredness. Being alone gets in tiredness represents being represents boron, alone represents aluminium, gets represents gallium, hin represents indium, tiredness represents thallium. Here carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, and lead. Can silk get zinc in pond? Can represents carbon, silk represents silicon, get represents germanium, zinc in represents tin, pond represents lead. Nian picks acts in ads and gets busy. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, and bismuth. Nian represents nitrogen, picks represents phosphorus, acts represents arsenic, ads represent antimony, busy represents bismuth. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, and polonium. On a Sunday, he saw a teapot. Horn represents oxygen, Sunday represents sulfur, saw represents selenium, T represents tellurium, and pot represents polonium. We don't need to memorize the halogens. Sorry, halogen is also called fluorine group to memorize, because it is necessary for higher education, not for now. And we should memorize noble gases for sure. It can be memorized like helium, neon, argon, krypton, and so on. Very easy way to memorize. And sorry, I have forgot to add another thing, that is radon. This is radon, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. And we can see in detail in upcoming videos of the modern periodic table with various parts. And till now we have seen a basic thing. From next video we can see about in detail about these properties and bonding, etc. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, comment down and share with your friends. Subscribe our channel and share as much as possible, and follow our Instagram page at edutech_bookworm, and we have uploaded its PDF format and the links, and kindly scroll down through description box. Thank you.